everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me for another video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new PR pack from Mundane Sunday. I've just started to do PR for Mundane Sunday. I've not actually ordered from the shop before, but I have had some samplers through and I absolutely love the characters. I think they are super cute. Forgive me if I forget the names of any of them while we're going through this, because I'm still new and learning about the shop. But I have a discount code that I can share with you that's Sarah15. If you wanted to order anything from the shop up until Sunday the 4th of July, then you get 20% off and my free sampler. But if you order after that date, then it's 15% off. So you'll get an extra 5% as like an introduction to the new PR team. So there's 3 of us in total that are doing this, and I'll show you the samplers that will also be in this box. But I placed an order with my PR credits, but I also spent a bit more so that I could get a few more things, because once I started it was hard to stop. So I thought I'd just unbox it on camera and go through my first reactions with you really. I have just peeled the tape because I thought I would sit here for 5 minutes trying to get it undone, so I thought I'd just, you know. So you get a little box sticker on the front. I'm just going to tear open the tissue. And then this is what I've ordered. I've just seen that there's a little checklist in here with everything that I've ordered on it. So I'm just going to take that out so it doesn't have any spoilers. Let's start with the stickers, I think. So it looks like there's some more in there anyway. So this is the first part of what I've ordered. And I ordered one of the kits, so I thought it'd be a really good thing to experiment with and to share with you, maybe a plan with me at some point in the next few weeks using this kit. And I just think it's adorable. So it's a rainbow kit and you get the characters on here as well as like your functional stickers too. So it says the greater the storm, the brighter the rainbow, happiness blooms from within, and always look for the rainbow. And this is Rosie. Rosie the raccoon is one of my favourite characters. I just love her little bow on her head and her pink rosy cheeks. She just makes me smile. I think they all do, in fairness. And this is Eric, and this is my other favourite character. I couldn't really decide between the two which one I preferred, but I had to choose one for the purposes of my sampler. But you get 6 full boxes. You get what I call the next week box, a few checklist boxes, and some little half box stickers with the pictures on too, and I really like that touch. That's something that's a little bit different from this shop, so that's nice to see. And then you get day covers, some habit trackers, more checklist boxes, your banner, and then you get a few scripts, but not too many. I feel like there's just enough there that you could, you know, use them without having tons and tons left over. There's a few bullet point stickers down the bottom. The colours of these are amazing, actually. The whole kit is just really well put together. I love the little Eric sloth with the post box, that's so cute. And then there's a few more basic icons like printing and the laptop. And Rosie watching Netflix is also one of my favourites. I can't remember if she made it on my sampler or not. And then you get some half boxes and some quarter boxes. Some of these are slightly different in size as well, so that you've got loads of choice. And I quite like this edition as well. So Etsy order, what you've ordered and whether it's been delivered or not, and the same for the online order sticker. Just something, again, just a little bit different in kits, just to make it stand out. And then you get washi strips. I can't remember the name of the snail. It escapes me. I should have written them all down before I started. And then you get some header strips. And I love the design too. The sunflowers are just beautiful. It's kind of got like a wildflower feel about it. And you get some date dots. You could use these little stars for like checklists, and then some more star checklist boxes. And then because of the weekend that I placed my order, it was actually in one of the planner sales, so you got some freebies with it. So this one's the mini kit freebie, and it's got some of the characters on here too. Again, Bob, Eric and Rosie. I can't remember these two. I love the little koala though. I think he's a newer character as well. And then you get some checklist boxes, some more of the delivery boxes and your day covers, and that's just like a 1-page mini kit. And then some water trackers. So it's got each of the, if I try and hold it a little bit closer, it's got each of the days of the week, and then it's got your 8 boxes for you to tick off to say you've had your 8 glasses of water, and of course little Rosie there with a drink of water and a straw, just super cute. And then even down the bottom here, this is a sticker down here, so even though you've got like the whole sheet of water trackers, you've also got the little characters down there too. And I love little Rosie with the flower. And she's waving there, and there's Eric, and again just some bright summer deco. Actually this might have come with the kit. Yes, so this comes with the kit, I believe. I'm just looking at the numbers, so I think it actually comes as part of the kit. But I'll double check that and I'll leave some information in the description, just because I forgot to check again. Oh, Brian the koala, look, there you go, that'll tell me. Super cute. I love the little glasses too, he looks so studious. And then there's a few other like products in the shop, and I had to have a couple of them. So I use like a desk pad while I'm at work, just for like making notes while I'm on the phone and that sort of stuff. And I just love it because it's got Rosie with a little stationery pot in the corner, and it says write it down before you forget. And green's my colour as well, so I went for this one. And really, really professional, but you know. Then I bought a magnetic bookmark, so I went for Eric with the stack of books. I had real trouble choosing these because there's quite a good selection of the little magnetic bookmarks, and it's just essentially a cardboard bookmark with a magnet on it. You've probably seen this sort of thing before, but I really struggled to choose which one I wanted, but I went for Eric with the books because I just thought that's lovely. That was the freebie that I got for placing my order. There you go. Was Bob the Gecko. So it's just a little sticker of Bob on a little card. You could use it as a whole piece if you wanted to, but I'll probably peel Bob off and use him at some point. And then this is the June sampler. So you get this free with your orders, and it's got a box sticker with all the characters on it. This is so bright and vibrant that it just makes me smile so much. There's something about Mundane Sunday that no matter what sort of the day's like outside, what sort of mood you're having, if you see their like Instagram, then it just, there's something about it that just puts a smile on your face, which is one of the reasons I really wanted to join the team in the first place. And then these are the other bits and pieces that I've got. So this was one of the freebies that came because of the sale, and it's got some more of the scripts on there. I also like that it looks like traditional handwriting rather than it being like a typed font. I think that's probably more my style than the typed fonts, if I'm completely honest. I do use the typed fonts, but there's something about it. It just makes it a little bit more individual. And there again is another sample sheet. Might have also been for that particular sale, but I'm a bit rubbish at remembering the details at the moment, but hopefully with a bit of time this will all come a bit more naturally to me. That definitely came with the sale, because if you spent over £10 then you got the freebie, and it's just some functional stickers there. The pastel rainbow too is just really well designed, really pretty. And then these are the samplers for the PR team. So perhaps if I show you mine first. So that's my sampler. So that's my code there, Sarah15. And I chose Brian drinking a cup of tea. We know I love tea, we know I love books. I tend to go for these sorts of stickers. This was actually selected for me by Sarah, who runs the shop, because she knows that I like doing other crafts. So I do cross stitch and knitting and this sort of stuff. So there's one of Eric there doing a little penguin cross stitch, which is really cute. Eric on his phone. There's Rosie there with like planner stickers and post-it notes. Both of them taking a walk. The dishwasher, because I needed some functional as well, because I don't just all do characters, I do some functionals too. So there's a little happy dishwasher, a little green post-it note, because I'm obsessed with this sort of sticker at the minute. A slice of pizza, because we eat pizza all the time in my house, it's just crazy. And then I got to choose 3 of the scripts, so I went for a little bit of family time, take time to recharge, and funds, because those 3 things are kind of my priorities at the moment. And then Rosie with the Netflix did make it in, but she's on a box sticker. Same with Eric and the books. And then these highlight of the day ones, I just think they're gorgeous. So it's got Eric with a little highlighter, and then you can just write in whatever your highlight of the day is. So that's my sampler. I won't take you through the other ones in detail, but do have a look on Instagram as well and follow the girls, because they'll also be working with Mundane Sunday. And then this one's for Maya, who has, I quite like this, make it a crime. I'm not going to swear, but I'm sure you can read it if you've seen it. And then I ordered some of the Brian stickers, drinking a cup of tea, and then I went for picnic stickers, because we're having a lot of picnics at the moment. As you know, I've got a little one, so an easy thing for us to do is just go to the park and have a picnic and let her play for the day. Same as trips to the seaside, so I went for trips to the seaside and building sandcastles, which is really lovely. Walks outside, going into the fresh air. Can you tell I've been cooped up for a year just by the fact that these are the ones I've chosen? Clearly I need some more of that in my life. Netflix has not escaped me though, so I went for Rosie watching Netflix, and I love it at the bottom it says yes, I'm still watching, because don't you feel like that really judged by Netflix when it says, are you still watching this? You're like, yeah, I am. And then I went for some, these are more like little kid type ones. So again, if I take my daughter to the park, you know, play on the swing, splash in the puddles. She's not quite big enough for hopscotch yet. I don't really see that very often anymore either, but climbing trees and seesaw, just again for family time really. And then books, because I can't resist a good book. So I went for Eric with all the books on there. And you get quite a lot of stickers on these sheets as well. So you get 25 stickers on one sheet. That one's got slightly less, I think, just because of the designs, but it looks as though there's like around 20 stickers at least on each of the sheets, so you get an awful lot for what you're paying for too. So just to bring them back in, just like I normally do, just to show you my huge haul from Mundane Sunday. So you're going to be seeing a bit more of this over the next few months. And there's just so many stickers here. I didn't realise I placed quite such a big order, but we know what I'm like. I get carried away, don't I? There we go. Drink up, mini kits. There's that one. That's my sampler. And then there's the, I don't know if you can see those. That's my sampler just there. And then there's the notebook and the Eric bookmark. So loads and loads of stuff already, and hopefully next time I get a PR pack I'll do the same thing so you can see the new products that are coming out too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and come back and see me again. Thanks very much for joining me. Take care. Bye.